Assalamu alaikum. I am Raju Ahmed, assistant teacher in English, Gunaritala, Madarganj, Jamalpur. Today, I shall discuss about a very important grammar. This name is voice change. Voice change is very important for written English, speaking English, and there are many importance of voice change. So, I shall discuss about voice change in details. At first, I have written the basic structure of voice change: active, subject plus verb plus object. This is the basic structure, and then I have given the structure of passive voice: object plus auxiliary verb plus main verb or principal verb, three or past participle form of principal verb, and then extension plus by plus subject. And there are another rule: active, passive. If there are verb 1 in active voice, you have to use am, is, are in passive voice. If there are verb 2, I shall not discuss about tense. Without tense, we shall solve the active and passive voice. Understand? And if there are verb 2 in active voice, you have to use was, where. Was, where in passive voice as auxiliary verb. If there are modal auxiliary, you have to use be. If there are have, has, had in active voice, you have to use been. Understand? If there is ing, you have to use being. Again, concentrate please. If there is verb 1 in active voice, you have to use am, is, are as an auxiliary verb. Understand? If there is verb 2 in active voice, you have to use was, where as auxiliary verb. If modal, you have to use be. If there is have, has, had, you have to use been. If there is ing, you have to use being. If you follow this structure, I hope that any kind of exercise you can solve. Now we shall discuss about the examples. I shall give you the examples and you will understand my topic. Firstly, I am giving people use flowers on different occasions. It is active voice. People use flowers on different occasions. Understand? So, according to the structure of active voice, firstly we can see the subject. It is subject. Then verb. It is verb. It is object. So, it is extension because the preposition always stands before the phrase. Understand? It is active. It is extension because there is preposition in front of the phrase. So, we have decided it as an phrase. So, according to passive voice, firstly we have to use object. Understand? Flowers. Flowers is object. Then object auxiliary verb. If there is verb 1, you have to use am, is, are. Understand? Since the subject is plural number, I have to use are. And then main verb 3 or past participle form of main verb, use, used. And then extension on different occasions. And then by. Then subject, people. Understand? Firstly, I have used object flowers. Then I have used auxiliary verb are because the subject is plural number. And then I have used main verb 3 or past participle form used. Then I have used extension on different occasions. Plus by plus subject. This subject has been object. Understand? Then I shall discuss another example. He can solve any kind of problem. According to structure, subject is he. It is subject. It is auxiliary verb or modal auxiliary. And it is main verb. It is object. Subject, main verb, object. It is modal auxiliary. I have to use at first in passive voice object. Any kind of problem. Then I have to use modal auxiliary verb. If there is modal auxiliary, you have to use be. Extra, can be. I have discussed a few time ago. Can be. Then I have to use main verb 3. Solved. Then extension. There is no extension in this subject, so we have not to use this extension. So I shall use now by. By plus subjective form and then subject. Subjective form will be objective form. Understand? The subjective form of he is him. And firstly, then I am again discussing according to passive voice. At first I have to place object, any kind of problem. Then I have used auxiliary verb can be. Then I have used main verb solved. Then by plus subject. He has been him. Then I shall discuss about continuous tense. He is playing cricket in the field. It is extension because there is preposition in front of the phrase. Understand? It is subject. It is auxiliary verb. It is main verb. It is object. Subject, auxiliary verb, main verb, object, extension. Understand? In the passive voice, firstly I have to use object. Cricket. Then I have to use auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is being, because there is ing in the sentence. I have discussed that if there is ing in the sentence, you have to use being. So I have used being. And then main verb 3 or past participle form of main verb play. The past participle form of play is played. And extension in the field. Then I have to use by according to the structure. By subject. The subjective form will be the objective form him. Understand? Again I am discussing. At first I have given object cricket. Object plus auxiliary verb is being, because there is ing in the sentence being. Then main verb 3 played. Then extension in the field plus by plus subject. This subject has been objective form. Oh my God, the goat has taken necessary steps to solve the problem. The govt has taken necessary steps to solve the problem. Understand? It is active voice. At first subject, the govt, verb, it is main verb, it is auxiliary verb. Then object, necessary steps, it is extension, because in front of this phrase there is preposition. So I have decided we can understand that it is extension. Firstly, I have to use in passive voice object, necessary steps. Then auxiliary verb, has been. If there is have, has, you have to use been. I have discussed before. Understand? Since the subject is plural number, I have used have. If the subject is singular number, I have to use has. Understand? Then main verb 3 taken plus extension to solve the problem. To solve the problem. To solve the problem, then by plus subject, the govt. Firstly, I have used object, necessary steps, object. Auxiliary verb, have been. Main verb 3 taken. Extension, to solve the problem, by plus subject, govt, government. My friend invited me to join his birthday party. In this sentence, subject is my friend. It is subject. It is verb. Verb 2. It is object. It is extension, because there is preposition in front of this phrase. So I have decided that it is the extension. Firstly, I have to use object, me. Me will be I. Objective form will be subjective form, I. Then I have to use auxiliary verb, was. Because verb 2. If there is verb 2, you have to was, where. Since the subject is singular, I have used was. If the subject is plural, I have to use where? Was. Then main verb 3, invited. Then extension, to join his birthday party. Extension plus by plus subject, my friend. Again, at first object I, auxiliary verb was, because it is verb 2, so I have used was. Then main verb invited, it is main verb. Then extension, to join his birthday party. Then by plus subject, my friend. It is the subject, it is the subject. Subjective form will be objective form. Understand? He loves his country Very much. He loves his country very much. It is subject, it is verb, it is object, it is extension. Understand? Very much is always extension. You have to memorize, you have to understand this matter. Firstly, I have to use object, his country. Object. Then auxiliary verb. If it is verb 1, you know, if there is es or s, this word will be verb 1. Understand? If there is verb 1, you have to use am, is, are, is. I am using is because it is singular number. If the subject is singular number, you have to use is. Then main verb 3, loved. Then extension, very much. Plus by plus subject. He will be him. Understand? Firstly, I have used object, his country. Auxiliary verb is. Main verb 3, loved. Extension, very much. Plus by plus subject, he. He has been him. The teacher will help me as soon as possible. It is subject, it is modal auxiliary. Main verb, object, extension. Subject, modal auxiliary, main verb, object, extension. At first, object, me will be I, then modal auxiliary. Will be shall be, because shall always sit after I, we. I shall be. Then main verb 3, helped. Then extension, as soon as possible. Plus by plus subject, the teacher. At first I have given object I, auxiliary verb shall be, main verb helped, extension as soon as possible, by subject, the teacher. The teacher. I hope that you can understand my topic and you can inbox me to solve any kind of active passive problem, and you can message me, you can comment in my inbox, in my post, and I shall try to solve any kind of problem of you. Understand? And I shall discuss passive to active tomorrow. So no more today. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I shall take another class tomorrow. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.